Hello guys, today we're going to show you what Pokemon cards booster packs looks like. So first, we're going to show you the cards and write likes or dislikes about the cards. Okay? So first up is... So I'm just good. Okay, here. Vanillish. Fancy. Carnivine, Love Disc, Unknown, Scraggy, Lucario, Weezing, Maractus, Cubchoo, Timber, Haunter, Nindoron, Marchump, Magnetone, Switch, wait, what the? Energy, Revive, Garvantula, Duramaka, Energy Retrieve, Ketotes, Black, Magneton, Scraggy, Oshawott, Rotom, Ralts, Skitty, Ludicolo, Shrubbish, Coughing, Patrat, Rufflet, Pantsier, Frillish, Togepi, whatever, Yama, Volbeat. Now those are the cards you guys would be deciding if they are, if they're awesome or not. It's okay if you put a dislike, I'm used to disappointments, okay? Okay, now, first I need to get this into a pile again. Okay. Now my brother has a binder. Like, right over here. That's a binder. The binder of Pokemon cards. And now, that is it. Like what Pokemon cards from booster packs are like. Now see you next time.